We'll guide you through how to use filters in CapCut to enhance your videos. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once you're in, start a new project by clicking on the New Project button in the top left corner. Import your video clips by clicking on the Import button and selecting the files you want to work with. After your clips are loaded into the media library, drag them down to the timeline at the bottom. Now, let's dive into adding filters. Go to the Filters tab located on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a wide variety of filters categorized by different styles like retro, black and white, or vintage. Click on any filter to preview how it will look on your video. To apply a filter, simply drag it over the video clip on your timeline. You can adjust the intensity of the filter by clicking on the filter layer in the timeline, and then moving the slider that appears. This helps you get just the right look without overdoing it. If you want to apply different filters to different clips, just repeat the process for each segment. And don't worry about making mistakes. You can always remove a filter by selecting it in the timeline and pressing the Delete key. Once you're satisfied with your filters, you can proceed to edit the rest of your video or export it by clicking the Export button in the top right corner. This will allow you to save your edited video with the filters applied. Remember, using filters can completely change the mood of your video, so feel free to experiment to find what suits your project best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.